For die-hard two-stroke fans, the Honda CR500 is nothing short of legendary. Known for its raw power, unmistakable sound, and exhilarating ride, it was a beast that left a lasting impression. But as time passed, the CR500 became a relic of the past, though many still dream of a modern revival. Now, Tomasin Racing has brought that dream to life with a cutting-edge twist. The 2025 Honda CRF450 with a T500 engine kit. This isn't just a tribute, it's a full-fledged two-stroke powerhouse built for the modern era. The T500 transforms the CRF450R by swapping its 450 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine for a fire-breathing 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke. What makes it stand out? An electric start and fuel injection, two features rarely seen on a two-stroke engine. The aluminum twin-spar frame remains untouched, preserving the legendary handling and durability that Honda is known for. Key upgrades include custom engine mounts, a 14-tooth sprocket tuned for maximum torque delivery, and Tomasin Racing's signature red cylinder head. The bike also features an electric water pump, a high-performance cooling system with custom hoses, and an OXA factory exhaust. Fueling is handled by the CRF450R's 1.7-gallon titanium tank, still requiring a pre-mix blend. On the tech side, the T500 packs 5 ECU maps, launch control, and traction control, all accessible via Honda's stock control module with a dedicated button for quick adjustments. The cockpit retains the familiar CRF450R layout, with refined details like custom levers and T500 branded reservoir caps for the clutch and front brake. Aesthetically, it stays true to Honda's racing heritage, featuring exclusive T500 graphics in red, white, and blue with subtle Italian flag accents. All bodywork is interchangeable with other 2025 CRF models, allowing riders to personalize their setup with ease. With all this performance and innovation, the T500 launches at a promo price of €16,500 plus VAT, excluding shipping costs.